Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome to another video. It's a lengthy one again. I'm going to show you how to draw arcs using some of the different methods. So the first one that we have is 3-point. So I've got this triangle here just as a guide, as a template to put down some markers. So specify the start point, specify the second point, and the end point. So as you can see, we've now drawn an arc around that using 3 points, 1, 2, and 3. So moving on to the next one, we have the drop-down menu, which is Start, Center, and End, which to be honest, it's probably quite similar to what I've just done. So Start, Center, and End, but as you can see, it's now on the opposite side. We're just using that base as a center for that at the 45 degrees. Okay. The next one we have is Start, Center, and Angle. So again, Start, use that as our center. And now we can choose our angle. So if we want to go 60, we could do that. Moving on, we have Start, Center, and Length. Start, Center, and we can choose our length. So again, we've got that one. Start, End, and Angle, which is probably better for this line that we're doing. So if we start and we end it here, and then we can choose our angles, and as you can see, that changes the size of the arc that we have. Start, end, direction. So start, end, and again, depending on the angle we have, it changes the size and the style of the arc. Kind of almost flat, depending on the angle. Okay. Start, end, and radius. So if we choose the radius, so the greater the radius, the smaller the arc there, because it's creating a bigger circle. Then we have, where are we? Center, start, and end. So center, start, and end. Very similar to previous ones. It all depends on what information you have when you're doing your drawing. Center, start, angle. Again, we'll just show it. Center, start. That's your angle, 90 degrees. You can choose whatever angle you want. And again, center, start, length. If I was to put 1000 mil, there you go. It's not the full arc, but it's an arc of sorts. It's not going to join up to the top of that shape though. And that is it. So please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.